Today we're doing the Hanayama Puzzle Cast G&G. Looks like the GG from Gucci, which is a very fashionable looking puzzle. Korean puzzle designer called Jin Ho-an is the guy who designed it. Puzzle is rated by Hanayama, which is the manufacturer, as a level 3. So you start it in this position. I'm holding it the same as the box here. And let's have a look at this thing. So we've got a silver G upside down and a G and G in gold at the bottom. We're going to hold this one steady and just manipulate this one and see how far we get. You can see these protrusions here of metal that are going to get in the way of fluid turning. So let's attempt to solve this little sucker. Beautiful. And to put it back together, once you know it, it actually isn't a difficult puzzle. There's only a few moves, but of course that's the trick of these things. There's only really one way. Okay, that is it for the Hanayama Puzzle Cast G&G. Solved! I'm a huge fan of the Hanayama cast metal line of puzzles. These puzzles are fun for all ages. Recommend.